Elliot, come on, 5 minutes, please.
So Elliot is cooking for us chicken and chips. Coconut chili and lime-crusted chicken drumstick, buttermilk chicken breast, and barbecue chicken thighs with sweet potato fries, purple slaw, and hot sauce. Oh, my God. That sounds good. It's promising so much, but I'm worried because there's a lot to do.
What I don't want to see is soggy sweet potato fries. Coleslaw needs to be seasoned nicely. And the hot sauce has got to be nice and punchy.
Come on, Elliot, let's do it. Chicken, come on.
Sorry, I only know how to do big portions. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Thank you.
Today I've cooked for you chicken and chips. It's chicken cooked 3 different ways. So you have a buttermilk chicken breast, a coconut chili and lime crusted chicken drumstick, a barbecue chicken thigh, sweet potato fries, you've got purple slaw, and homemade hot sauce. Hope you enjoy, guys.
Wonderful.
The tidiest chicken and chips I've ever seen, and he's even gone to the effort of cleaning the drumstick there. Yeah, I can't wait to tuck into that. Whew. That Scotch bonnet hot sauce is incredible. It's got such a nice punch to it. That coconut coating on that chicken drumstick is really, really delicious. And I thought I'd say I'm enjoying chicken and chips at MasterChef.
No chili sauce left. Loved that. Hardly any of the slaw left. Loved that. Loved it.
I think he's cooked it all really well. The chicken's really tender. He's done that very, very well.
It's chili sauce. That's great. That's hot sauce.
These are all really good, big flavours, and all 3 bits of chicken are cooked really, really well. I like his style. Elliot, 15 minutes now, OK, to your crumble.
Yep.
You gonna be all right, Chef?
I'm gonna try.
Elliot's dessert is apple and caramel crumble with cream. Classic combination, apple and caramel, crumble. A little bit simple, maybe.
So the crumble's not even in the oven yet? Oh, mate, you've only just started, haven't you?
Done the apple. The apple's already cooked.
And you haven't cooked the crumble top yet?
Crumble has got to be warming. It's got to give you a nice hug, but also it's got to retain some texture. The apples are overcooked. It's just going to be like a spoonful of mush, and we don't want that, do we?
It went in late. I meant to put it in while I was doing the buttermilk and I forgot. So I've had to do a makeshift crumble on top, and hopefully, all being well, at least it's servable. If it's not, I tried.
Two minutes, Elliot.
Good man, Elliot. That's great.
Thank you, mate. Perfect.
For dessert, I have cooked you caramel and apple crumble with a clotted cream with cinnamon dust. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Doing it in a timed manner. Forgot to put my crumble in, but I saved it. I'm happy.
Whoa.
Where's my apple?
I'll tell you what, this is my type of crumble. 1 part apple, 7 parts crumble. I mean, there is apple right at the bottom, but it's about 1 centimetre.
Because it's so sweet, and there's so much caramel, which is incredible, but it needs that apple, that tartness to kind of offset it.
It's delicious, but just missing the kind of vital element there.
It is an apple crumble, but maybe you should call it a crumble apple.
When you dig your way through 3 foot of delicious outer crust of topping, you do get to some really beautifully stewed apples. You dip that into clotted cream with sprinkles of cinnamon. John the man's a genius.